In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare layouts for printing in AutoCAD. The first thing you'll need is the title block I sent you in your school email. Download the documents and place it on your desktop. Typically, downloads go to your Downloads folder unless you have set your computer to do something different. Go to your Downloads folder and drag the title block file to your desktop. If the title block file only gave the option to open, go ahead and open it. This will take place in the AutoCAD app. And then go to the application menu in AutoCAD, that's the big A at the top left, and select Save As, then change the destination to Desktop, leave the name set as it is, and click Save. Now the document is on your desktop. Open your project in AutoCAD. Pause here until it comes up and then restart. Currently, you're in the model space, the space where you created the drawing. At the bottom, you'll see three tabs. One tab is labeled Model, which is the current tab that you're in, and two more are labeled Layout 1 and Layout 2. On mine, you'll see additional tabs, but don't worry about these. That's just part of my setup for this video. Click on Layout tab 1. This is called Paper Space. If you look in the status bar at the bottom of your drawing, one of the boxes will say Paper, as it does in mine right here. This tells me I'm in the paper space where I can arrange my drawing for printing. Let's talk about other stuff you see in paper space. Inside the white document background is a viewport. Get used to this word, which is adjustable space that you can move, zoom, pan, and do whatever else needed to produce a layout. If I hover my cursor over the borderline of the viewport, it will light up. I can click on the border to activate it, and use the grips in each of the corners to adjust its size. If I double-click inside the viewport itself, I can activate the model and arrange how I want my drawing to appear in the viewport. I can focus in on any part of the drawing and set that to be the view for printing. Once I set the drawing like I want, I double-click in the white space outside of the viewport to deactivate it. If you don't do that, any movement of the mouse wheel will affect the drawing in the view. Now watch the next video for instructions on how to set up the layout for your floor plan on the appropriate size paper.